Ever found yourself staring at your screen, ready to ring up a sale, only to realize you haven't set up your payment methods in Lightspeed? It's a common hiccup, and one that can cost you valuable time and even frustrate your customers. Don't worry, you're not alone, and today we're going to fix that. We're diving deep into how to add a payment method in Lightspeed, covering everything from the basics to some helpful tips and tricks. Lightspeed is a powerful point-of-sale system, but like any software, it has a learning curve. Setting up your payment processing is crucial. It's the bridge between your sales and getting paid. Without it, well, you're not really in business, are you? So, let's get you set up so you can start taking payments seamlessly. Before we jump into the how-to, let's quickly touch on why having multiple payment options is so important. Think about your own shopping experiences. Do you always pay with the same card? Probably not. Sometimes you might prefer a debit card, other times a credit card, or maybe even a mobile payment like Apple Pay or Google Pay. Offering your customers a variety of payment methods makes their experience smoother and more convenient. It also broadens your customer base, as some people may only use certain types of cards or payment apps. Now, let's get down to the nitty-gritty. Adding a payment method in Lightspeed involves a few key steps. First, you'll need to log into your Lightspeed account. This is your central hub for managing everything related to your business within Lightspeed. Make sure you have your login credentials handy. If you've forgotten your password, there's usually a Forgot Password option to help you reset it. Once you're logged in, you'll want to navigate to the Settings section. This is where the magic happens. The exact location of the settings might vary slightly depending on which version of Lightspeed you're using, but it's usually represented by a gear icon or something similar. Look for keywords like Settings, Configuration, or Account Management. Within the settings, you should find a section dedicated to payments. This might be labeled Payment Processing, Payment Methods, or something similar. Click on this section to access the area where you can add and manage your payment options. Now, here's where things get a little more specific. Lightspeed supports a wide range of payment processors. These are the companies that actually handle the transaction between you and your customer's bank. Think of them as the behind-the-scenes engine that makes the whole payment process work. Common payment processors include names like Stripe, Square, PayPal, and many others. Lightspeed usually has partnerships with several different processors, giving you flexibility in choosing the one that best suits your business needs. The process of adding a payment method usually involves selecting your chosen payment processor from a list. Lightspeed will then guide you through the steps to connect your Lightspeed account with your processor account. This often involves entering API keys or other credentials that link the two systems together. Don't worry if you're not familiar with these terms. Lightspeed usually provides clear instructions and helpful documentation to guide you through the process. It's important to note that you'll likely need to have an account set up with your chosen payment processor before you can connect it to Lightspeed. If you don't already have an account, you'll need to create one. This usually involves providing some information about your business and your bank account details. Once you've connected your Lightspeed account with your payment processor, you'll be able to configure the specific payment methods you want to accept. This might include selecting which card types you want to accept: Visa, MasterCard, American Express, etc., enabling mobile payments, or setting up other payment options. Now, let's talk about some important considerations when choosing a payment processor. One key factor is the processing fees. Payment processors typically charge a small percentage of each transaction, as well as potentially other fees for things like chargebacks or monthly account maintenance. It's crucial to compare the fee structures of different processors to find the one that offers the best rates for your business. Another important consideration is the level of security offered by the payment processor. You're handling sensitive financial information, so you need to make sure you're working with a reputable processor that has robust security measures in place to protect your data and your customers' data. Customer support is also a critical factor. If you run into any issues with your payment processing, you want to be able to get help quickly and easily. Look for a processor that offers reliable customer support through multiple channels, such as phone, email, or chat. Finally, consider the integration with Lightspeed. While Lightspeed integrates with many processors, some integrations might be smoother or more feature-rich than others. Check Lightspeed's documentation or contact their support team to learn more about the specific integrations available and which one might be the best fit for your business. Once you've added your payment method and configured your settings, it's a good idea to test everything out. You can do this by processing a small test transaction. This will help you ensure that everything is working correctly and that payments are being processed smoothly. Now, let's address some common questions people have about adding payment methods in Lightspeed. One question we often get is, can I add multiple payment methods? The answer is yes. Lightspeed allows you to add multiple payment methods, giving your customers a variety of options to choose from. Another common question is, can I change my payment method later? Absolutely. If you need to switch to a different payment processor or update your payment information, you can do so in your Lightspeed settings. One more tip, keep your payment information up to date. If your credit card expires or you change bank accounts, make sure to update your payment information in Lightspeed to avoid any disruptions in your payment processing. Adding a payment method in Lightspeed is a crucial step in setting up your point-of-sale system. By following the steps we've covered today, you'll be well on your way to accepting payments seamlessly and growing your business. Remember, it's all about making the customer experience as smooth and convenient as possible. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.